guys, hello everyone. I am so excited to be back and filming this video. Are you ready? Okay, so hi everyone, I hope you guys are all well and you are feeling cozy, because I know I am today. It's Tuesday today and I'm just constantly getting work done. I'm filming, I'm vlogging, I'm doing Instagram content. I'm just on a roll. So obviously filming Vlogmas as well for you guys, but anyway, I have got an amazing, exciting video for you today. I have been reached out by an amazing brand that wants to work with me. And I'm just like, is this my life? Like, seriously. So this brand is called Maxfull Hair. Never heard of them before, but I have researched them and I am definitely wanting to work with them. So they have kindly sent me across some hair extensions. I am so excited. They are clip-in hair extensions. Now, if you watch my videos, you'll know that not recently, but my hair has been cut way too short. My hairdresser, I went to a new hairdresser and she cut my hair way too short. And I don't like it. I'm trying to grow it. So I thought, I am so excited. I'm definitely going to work with you guys, this brand. So thank you so much for sending it out to me. I'm so happy. So these are the hair extensions and I am going to show you guys how to apply them. And yeah, let's have a look. So, I have not had extensions in years. I always used to go for a phase, but I could never find the right ones. So this is the hair itself. It feels amazing. Like, it really feels amazing. Okay, so I'm popping the 2 clip here. I've popped the 3 clip at the back, the 3 clips at the back. And then I'm gonna pop this, because I sped through it because I know it'll be boring. And then I popped this little one. This is like my little secret weapon. I'm gonna pop her right there. So it's gonna give me some length and volume, which is what I want. So this is literally amazing. Like, I'm obsessed. I'm so obsessed. So I'm gonna brush through it. It's definitely the greatest match ever. I think this is like the best match I've ever had with my hair. Look how amazing it is. Okay, so I'm gonna style it and I'll be back. Guys, my phone died. I am obsessed with them. Ooh, they are a perfect match. Like, they're a teeny weeny bit lighter, but they are honestly so nice. I'm just so obsessed with them. They're amazing. I love them. They don't feel like clumpy or anything on my head, which is something that I was really looking out for. I love them. I think they're so cool. So I curled them. I'm just like having a bit of a natural waviness going on. But yeah, I love them. I even like have managed to blend my short hair. Like, that's my short hair, and look how well it blends in because of the colour match. Like, are you joking? Look at that colour match. And my stain top. But look at that colour match, it's amazing. So I'm so happy with them. I will link all the information down below about this brand and where you can get your own if you want to. They do clip-ins. I think they do like tape-ins as well. I'll have to check. And yeah, I will link everything down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really want to say thank you so much, Maxfull, for sponsoring this video and sending me these amazing hair extensions. I love them. Make sure you follow my Instagram so you don't miss me showing you like pictures. I'm going to be taking lots of pictures now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in another one. Bye.